Use the figure to the right to answer questions 1 and 2. We are given that segments NQ and PO are parallel. So given the fact that these two lines are parallel makes this triangle MQN similar to this triangle MPO. So we have two options when solving for x. Since x is one of the parts created by the separation of that line intersecting this segment here, we can use the part over part relationship to solve for x. So one of the proportions that you could set up would be part over part on this side, so x over 3, equals part over part on this side. Since I did the bottom part first on this ratio, I would have to put 15 over 5, not 5 over 15. So you have to be consistent in setting up your proportion. So when I cross multiply, I would get 5x equals 45. And so dividing by 5 would give us an x value of 9. Now, part over part only works when you're working with the parts created by the separation this segment creates. So you could always use small triangle over large triangle, which works every single time. So if you do small triangle over large triangle, you would have this small triangle side being 15 over the corresponding large triangle side, which would mean you would have to add the 15 and the 5 to get 20. And then you would set that equal to small triangle on the other side, which is our x, over the large triangle side, which in this case, remember you always add, would be x plus 3. So then when you cross multiply, since you're multiplying by a binomial, you would have to remember to distribute the 15 times the x plus the 15 times the 3. And you would set that equal to 20 times x, which is 20x. So this is what we call VOBs, variables on both sides. So we would need to subtract the 15x from both sides and get 45 equals 5x, which is exactly what we have here. And when we divide by 5, we would again get x equals 9.